Welcome to Nundakshi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make an oatmeal bread for you. Let's get started. Oat flour, bread flour, whole wheat flour, whole rye flour, ragan, sugar, salt, dry yeast, lukewarm water, mix them thoroughly. Knead for 5 minutes. Add olive oil in 2 times. Continue kneading. Flaked barley, you can use an electric mixer to knead better. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Divide into 6 pieces. Make each piece ball. Let them rest for 20 minutes. Spread out the dough and roll it like I did. Put them aside for an hour. Brush them with some water. Put some flaked barley on them. Make a surface scratch on the dough. Bake for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. So, let's see how it turned out. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh bread. Thank you for watching and happy baking.